Hi, welcome to this Mindmeister tutorial. Mindmeister is an online mind mapping application that allows people to see their ideas come to life visually and then allows them to share their ideas via the cloud. Mindmeister was launched in 2007 by Meister Labs, a software company. After 10 years on the market, it has more than 7 million users who have created more than a billion ideas to date. Michael Holoff and Till Vollmer came up with the idea as a cross between other mind mapping softwares such as Writely and Mind Manager and Google Docs. So having the function of creating a mind map and being able to collaborate with others. MindMeister works in real time and is accessible on desktops and laptops and via a mobile app. It allows users to share updates in their own or collaborated on mind maps. You are not limited to the number of users you are allowed to share your mind map with. You can share privately via invitation or post to the public forum. Basic accounts are free of charge, but have limited capabilities. There is an option to pay for premium, which provides full functionality of the tool. The goal of MindMeister is to enable collaboration on a mind map. Everyone can share ideas, comments, plans, as well as vote on ideas in real time. Mind maps can even be turned into interactive presentations. So let's take a look. I already created a mind map here. If I had wanted to create a new one, I'd simply go to New Mind Map, and as you can see, whatever is in the center is what the mind map is named. So you can zoom in, zoom out, hold down the clicker, and then move over. You can work on a specific section if you want, and then you can recenter. Down here are tutorials, a history, so you can revert back to other versions, set up a presentation, manage tasks, which is a feature of Premium, or share. So you can either put someone's email address in or click a link to share, copy the link, and send it via email. You can also share via Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest. Publish map means that you are publishing it to the public forum. So you have your center idea here, and then you have breakoffs. So if I wanted to add a new breakoff, I would just click the plus button, and it went away because I didn't type in there. So let's try that again. And whatever, as you can see, whatever is highlighted, that's where it's going to add to. So I did not want to add here, so I'm going to hit escape and it'll go away. So I'm going to click on the main frame and type test. And if I wanted to add to specifically drawbacks, then I can, as long as I highlight drawbacks and press the plus button, then it'll go there. If I did not want to put that there, I can do the undo button, and there's redo as well. This is to delete an item, so if I click on here and I click delete, it goes away. This is making a connection. So this is saying collaboration is dependent upon technical savviness of users. So I'm trying to make a connection there. If I wanted to make another connection from here to test, there you go. So clicking on the main idea, you can actually change the font, you can italicize or not. Here you have control over text color, background color. You can change the button type. And this is called a boundary. So I'm going to actually undo that. And then if I click here and I do a boundary, that means I'm looking at all the ideas right here to highlight to someone saying, hey, look at the blue section. That's what I'm looking at right now. And I can undo that. And then as you can see here, you can have an image. So if I go to drawbacks and just put a random image in, it'll pop up, or I can go back. You can also upload a new image, use a web image, draw an image, browse the image library. You also have the capability of adding video. Over here, you can make notes to yourself. Here's comments, so if you want to comment on someone else's change, and then people can vote yay or nay, whether they agree with that change. You can add a URL, so right here I've added a URL, which is to MindMeister, of course. So it will come up in a new tab. You can attach files, and this is again manage tasks, which is a premium function. So that's the basic layout. Oh, a neat thing you can also do is you can search. So you can search your mind map and it'll bring up where a specific word may lay in the mind map. So that's kind of neat. And then if you want to bring it back to center, you just click that. So the benefits of using this tool in an educational setting is that mind mapping in general helps learners organize their ideas. It helps provide structure to their papers, projects, etc. The fact that this is a collaborative tool means that groups can now work together, organizing ideas for projects without necessarily having to be in the same place. They can also respond to what their project partners have done in a time and place that is convenient to them. You can also have a mind map for each main topic of your project and/or the project as a whole. It also allows for creating of a project framework and ensures that you're able to think out all possible solutions. The drawbacks to using this tool is that there is still something to be said about an in-person collaboration. You can read gestures, tone of voice, and intent better in person because you are given more data points to work with. While this product does allow for real-time interaction, it is still up to the users to collaborate in real time. An online product has its bonuses of allowing for more thoughtful communication, but the in-person interaction back and forth might inspire ideas that otherwise would not have come about. In terms of educational uses, it can be used to help learners organize their ideas, whether they are students writing papers or employees writing reports or preparing for a meeting. It can allow for collaboration on a project plan, whether that be for the classroom or for a work project. It can be used to think through all possible solutions when problem solving. It also can be used as to provide a subject matter expert an interactive outline for the content of a new online course, which is how I plan to use it. In conclusion, Mindmeister is what I am terming the queen of organizational collaboration. Mind mapping in general helps organize ideas and think through and see how things connect. This tool has the advantage in that you can easily edit your own mind map and/or one you are collaborating on. No more hand-drawn maps that have you erasing every third idea you put down because it didn't connect how you originally thought it would. So key points to remember about Mindmeister. It's an organization tool. It's collaborative, works in real time, allows for edits and comments, voting, and uploading of documents. To use effectively, you will have to purchase a subscription. The free version only gets you around 3 mind maps. There are different levels of access, as with most online tools these days. So go check out Mindmeister and see what it can do for you at mindmeister.com.